you tryna be cute with no lashes on. Heard you call yourself a hot girl with them plastics on. Said he acting up and girl put them lashes on. Hey y'all, it's Justice and I'm back with another video on the back to back for you lately. You know, I've been coming through with the videos. I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of myself. You know what I'm saying? But either way, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you go visit all my previous content on this page. I do make entrepreneur life videos, so you got a lot to see, sis. If you're returning, then I do thank you for coming back and keep messing with me, because you real and you loyal and you true. You true blue boo. Period. So today we are doing a Dollar Tree haul. So yeah, well, let's just jump on into it, because I done spent my coins getting stuff for the video. So yeah. Okay guys, so first things first, we're gonna start off with organization, because you need to keep your business organized. So I do want to start by saying they do have these, because I don't know if you have a full office or not. So I started out before I bought my house. I was living with my grandma, and that's where I started my business. And I was in her back room, and I did not have a lot of space. And this would have came in handy, because I had all my stuff in bags, like Dollar Tree bags, Walmart bags. Like, this would have came in handy. So I did buy a couple of those just because I have so much stuff. Some stuff is seasonal, and I want to put them away, like my Valentine and Christmas stuff. So yeah. Okay, so now you know where you're gonna put your stuff. So you need to always be able to jot down out ideas. So you want pens. I got black because I like black. I think black is really professional, but I also like colorful, so I got colorful, just depending on what I'm writing and why I'm writing it, I guess. And then I got these. This is so cute to me, and it has all these little, like, cute little stickers. And then I got this one. I thought this was so cute. It said notes. And then I got this one, little but fierce, because I am little and I'm fierce. You feel me? So I love notebooks. I think I have more than I can ever write in. And I'm still gonna keep buying them because I love them, and these were $. So, and then I have the sticky notes, and I opened them because I needed to use them. So if you have like a cork board or something like that, which they do sell, like the cork paper, but it's not really like a board, like a thick board, but you can buy the paper. I did buy that, and it's not in here, so I don't know where it's at. But you have these little right here, so you can like stick in there little notes and little inspirations. Speaking of inspiration, I did buy these little prayer cards, because you do need to keep yourself going. Sometimes you feel like you're going crazy, you know, so you do want to make sure that you keep yourself going. And it has 20 of them, so at least you'll be going for 20 days. And today's card I have up here, and it says, "For I know the plans that I have for you," and that is Jeremiah 29:11. I don't have my glasses on. So yeah. And then another organization is like these little containers and drawers and things. I have those. I have them up here right here already. I have like 3 up there, and they hold my lashes currently. I also have bought the one that holds my lip gloss. If you can see, look and see if you can see above me. You can barely see above me. So yeah, that is pretty much like the organization part. You do want to also make sure you're buying things to stay clean. So you deal with anything dealing with somebody's face, you want to have gloves, which I know that these are not the gloves that we would normally use. But right now, with what's going on with this coat, this, you know, thingy, it's taking over the world, this virus. Gloves are at a shortage, so, you know, do the best that you can. So yeah, you want to make sure that you have gloves. Now, also speaking of like lip gloss business and things like that, you want to make sure that you have spoons. I bought these really big spoons because I'm gonna make a lot of lip gloss. When I first started out, I just bought the little regular eating spoons that you get a pack of like 48 or something like that. So when you're starting out, you don't need the same stuff that you would, and it's good to start off with those because you're gonna be mixing a whole lot of different colors, just trying out stuff. Just start off with those. And then I found these. I've been seeing a lot of people making nails, like press-on nails. I don't currently sell press-on nails, but I thought this would be helpful when I saw these, so I did buy them for you guys. So mounting tape, this kind, which is like, I don't know, and then this poster tack, and then these glue dots, because I have been noticing everybody's selling, they have to like stick them on something like paint or whatever. And then I was like, well, what if they just, when you want to just start off, and then so these, which is really just hooks that I would probably like to use for hooks, but if you needed to use these and put like the mounting tape on them and put your nails on there, you could do that. And then I was like, because I like to be creative, I was like, what if you took these sticky like push pins and bought the like pack of erasers, like just the regular old school pink erasers, and like stuck them in there and put them on there. I don't know, I'm just being, you know, if you want to like rig it up, there you go, sis. I just gave you an idea. That way you ain't got to spend all your money. You can try out. You might not even like selling nails. I don't know nothing about selling nails, so I'm just trying to help y'all with the Dollar Tree, you know. So next, this section is pretty much gonna be like promotion and things. So I've been searching high and low for these, and I finally found some after I bought some somewhere else for regular price. But photo paper, so this is photo paper, and you can use this to make you know, like your flyers, your thank you cards, all of those type of things, and it's $1. So if you have a printer or you know somebody with a printer, I also do offer services to print things. It's not on my website right now. You can just DM me. I just been doing it because obviously the COVID and like a lot of places were closed. So yeah. And then moving forward with promotion. So then you do have to get creative when you have a business. You need to stand out. And so I like making stuff. So I did buy this little tray. It's really small. It's like the size of my head. And I was like, I can like spray paint it or something. And I think they sell that sometimes. And then I bought these little, like, they are called foam beads. And I was like, I'm sure I could do something with these. I also bought these little pineapple trays, not because I have pineapple theme, but because these are the color. And I'm like, that is super cute, and it is summertime, so I'm sure I can do something with those as well. And then I bought these little pearls because I'm like, this could be cute. You could do something with that. So you just have to, so you don't always know exactly what you're gonna do, but you know, if you feel inspired, just buy it. It's $1 and figure it out, you know, like as you go. Sometimes I'll buy something and I don't use it, and then later on I'll be like, oh, I want to do this. Oh, I already got it. So I don't know, you just got to make it work for you. So the next segment is going to be packaging. Now, I did not get the normal bubble mailer because everybody says that, and Dollar Tree has bubble mailers. Also, if you need rubber bands or a ruler, Dollar Tree has that. I saw those in there too, but I already had them and I didn't want to buy them again. So let's just get into packaging. So since I sell necklaces. If you sell jewelry, I already opened this. These are some little jewelry boxes that they sell. I've been seeing a lot of people actually selling their nails, press-on nails in these. So Dollar Tree, girl, Dollar Tree. So yeah, they sell these little baggies. So if you are selling things in person, if you are on the pull-up, this would be a cute little way to promote. I also bought some tissue paper, and I don't see it either. I don't know what I was doing with my stuff, y'all. I bought a lot of stuff. But yeah, you would, you know, use that. You can use the tissue paper. Now something else that I don't see all the time, I did go to multiple Dollar Trees, but this glitter paper, this is really cute for taking pictures. But also, if you sell lashes, you could just use this and cut this into the size. They had different colors, like blue and green and stuff like that, and cut it into the size you want. And instead of buying that you can have it, you know. So that's just if you want to play around with it. I bought those one time. Like, I literally bought the little cards to go on your lash trays and all that, the glitter paper, and I didn't like it. And I still have it. And I think I bought like 50 of them or 100 of them or something like that. It came with a lot. And I still have it because I didn't like it. So, honestly, do anybody want it? Because you can have it. So next is these little baggies. These little zipper seal bags. I have used these for a couple of different things at this point. So yeah, make sure you have these. Let me think. If you sell really anything you sell, you know, before I knew how to package my lip gloss, sometimes I put them in these. So yeah, I mean, you gotta be creative. These are good too. I see a lot of people that sell like lip scrubs. So I see them have them in these like this. And then, I mean, if you really wanted to make like, you know, lip balm or something, you maybe could try it in here. I don't know, but I would just say be creative. I don't even know what I'm going to use these for. I just bought them because I said this would be good for you guys. Packaging, this is cute. I think these are really cute. Little mailing seals is what it's called. So, you know, when you close down your bubble mailer, you can put it right there. It don't have anything on it, so I guess you would need a stamp to say like thank you or something, or maybe if you print something out and put it on top of there, like okay, so like these dot labels, I don't know how you would print them. I think I figure out how you I think I understand how you would print them, and then you would put them on top of here or something. I don't know, but these are like little labels and dots and mailing labels and all types of mailing seals, excuse me, so you can seal your mail. But these are good though. They're cute, and I think they're cute. I used the sheet of them, and I think they're cute. So these travel jars, I don't see these all the time, but yeah. So if you sell lip scrubs, this is a pretty nice size. You know, you can use this. I don't sell lip scrubs, but you can use these. It's a lot of different things I can think that you could do with these. Like a lot of different things. So just, if you see them, pick them up. It's only 3. So you're going to have to get multiple. But yeah. So then shipping labels. So yeah, this is 18 counts of shipping labels. You can print or you can write, and it takes laser and inkjet. So either type of printer, that is really good. If you have like a hair business, this would be good. It's a 30 count of these like little hang tags. So that's good. And then if you sell like shades, they have these, and I saw them in 2. I sell shades. I saw them in a few different colors, but these were the cutest colors to me, like the purple and the pink. So if you sell like shades and you want to give them these, you can. Now if you're shipping, they sell fragile stickers, so it comes with 12. But yeah, so these fragile stickers, that's a good thing to have. Always, everybody know they sell this. I have so much of crinkle paper. I don't even know if I'm ever gonna need crinkle paper again. I have that much crinkle paper. But yeah, so, and then last but not least, this tape. You can get this mailing tape. It's 10 yards. I think that's okay. I would still buy multiple, because buying anything at Dollar Tree, just know that if it's tape, I notice you run out quick, so you might want to get a couple more. Ooh, child. This is work, but it's fun. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I have more videos coming soon. I'm about to do an unboxing video. I'm looking at about 6-7 packages right now that I'm about to unbox for you guys on my next video. So you want to make sure that you hit the subscribe and hit the bell so you can see that. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for your support. I really do appreciate you. Make sure you keep your head up out there, and make sure you stay blessed. How you tryna be cute with no lashes on? Heard you call yourself a hot girl with them plastics on. Said he acting nothing, girl, put them lashes